How to keep QuickBooks Online in Classic View. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open QuickBooks and press on Login at the top right corner of your screen and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, if it's an app, you will find it in this way. After you're logged in, click on the gear icon at the top right. After you click on the gear icon at the top right, here you'll find these options. Click on Switch from Business View to Accountant View at the bottom. After you click on it, simply restart your app, or if you're in browser, refresh. After you refresh it, you will find it in Classic View. And this is how to keep QuickBooks Online in Classic View. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.